What is up, you all? A watermelon here. I don't know why my YouTube channel name got changed. Holy crap, I can't even. Whatever. I know I got changed. I'm just this guy. Because I was gonna put a watermelon because I keep changing it. I know, but I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna stick with a watermelon now. And if I don't, you guys can yell at me. But I'm a noob. Yay! Look at this guy. I'm gonna say, can we be friends? Hi. Hi. Guess what? I'm not a noob unless you want me to be a noob. I can be anything you want me to. You want my butt? Hidge? You wanna be friends? Come on, Billy. I'll take you to dinner. Then. Sure. Great! Thank you. He actually sent me a friend request. Now time to run away and talk to this little woman. Hey! You love me too? Okay. Alright, shut up. You smells like pee. You smell like me. You smell like dog food. You smell like me. And I smell like pee. But everyone loves me. Thank you. That's the greatest rap ever. I need to take a dump in here. Never mind then. Hey, brother. You better stop running around. Get out! Alright. I'm just gonna peek in what's happening. No! In the yard. Okay, I don't even care about him anymore. What's going on in here? Ah! Hey, somebody call this a hoe. I am not a hoe. Time to do some dancing. I don't know. Dance, was it this way? /E dance. Yeah, this looks like I'm freaking, oh yeah, ooh. Okay, let's go see what's going on in here. Alright, we need to just get a quick little peek. Whoops. Well, hiya, Georgie. Listen. If you let me in, I promise I'll wipe. Oh god. Yeah, I'll wipe. It's gonna be sticky though. And not clean. Whoops. Clean. Oh my god. Clean. Ah! Aw, poor you guys. I'm sorry. Ugh. Ah! I can't. It's coming, darling. It's coming, darling. Ooh. 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 Bacon. Your name's Bacon? Bacon? Oh no! You are a wolf. I like wolves. They make me hungry! Oh, a dog's even better. Come here, buddy. Don't try to run away from your dreams. I guess he doesn't love me. You know what? I quit this job. I'm moving to a... Guys, I have a surprise for you. I know where babies come from. And I'm a baby. We're playing Adopt Me now. I want to be a baby. Let's see if anybody wants to adopt me. Let's go. Oh, please. Why does it look like the child's, like, looking up his butt and then, like, it's, like, not wiped, so she looks away crying because she just saw a little, you know, a little butthole. I want to join your family. Unicorn Believer, please invite me to your family. Just because I'm a noob doesn't mean I can't do anything. You want to go? Wow! Oh yes, I would like to sleep. What the hell? I'm awake, guys. Daddy's home. Wow, wow, wow. You look very fine today. Let's ride, boy. Oh, I just rode her. You've been invited to Splaggle's family of one. Yes, I would love to join your family. I would love to join your family. Everybody's invited to my family. Oh, yeah. Oh God, what the... Look at this. It looks like she has like a little freaking another piece of hair that just attaches to her. We're all noobs here. We don't need a family. Come on, Mommy! I fatooted. And it really stank. And it really stank. God, Sam, Mama. Yes, you can. You can join my family. You're like a miniature of me. Come on, Daddy, let's go. No! Hi, Seashell. Oh, I guess we're gone. Nobody saw that. No. Do. Hey, Kita! I guess you're not gonna love me anymore. Guys, fine. If you don't love me, I'm just gonna change. Alright, time to be a grown-up. Let's just pretend I grew up a bit. And be someone's daddy. If you know what look at me. If you know what I mean. Alright. Hi, you wanna be in my family? We can be gay and we can love each other. Hey, you wanna be in my family? Come here, son. Let's go. Let's go, kids. We're all gonna have a good time. So, what you wanna do?
Find her dad something.
I don't know. You kids want a bicycle? I want a bicycle. We all want a bicycle.
Ooh.
Oh, they gave me a hot dog. That's pretty gross. I don't need your hot dog, son. I'm so sorry for it. Home. Listen, kid. I'm homeless. I'm homeless. Now come here. Come here. You both need to have a little family reunion. Okay? Get over here. Get over here, son. Come here. Listen, kids. Listen. Me. Come here. Looking for a baby? I'm looking for a baby. You know what? Son. No, please. I'm so sorry. You don't deserve this. You don't deserve this. You don't deserve any of this. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. No! Don't leave me, kid. Come on. Let's go. I'm so sorry for this. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I love you, son, daughter, whatever your name was. My son is missing. The last thing I remember was a hot dog. He gave me his hot dog. That's a good hot dog. Where's my son? Son, I'm so sorry. Daughter, hello. You guys are all hot. I'm gonna marry you. Come here. Yay. No. Yay. Son, get over here. You didn't leave me. What are you saying? You guys wanna let me knock knock? Son, you look like a pet. Mother. Alright. I'm sorry, I just keep doing that. Play-Doh plus, okay guys, I gotta go. Peace out, have a nice day, and eat a chicken duck woman.